Abusia Meko Bono 2024 year course so what the chimay no what the can say and some and social media no so yeah public accounts committee no and also committee no one more share a share jumedi no buy baako and a rubber kwan committee no what say said the uncle for a day attacks be banned so na brun champion for the bloggers here ban who be sebusa and sikeni munia the no said the ACL chrono e kamia yes 77 pedriasa obi tinchen krobeka so wodi sika no anase committee no edi sika no wi asoso dimpa yes na hunye nto baba bete ho na wa cheche mu dia kire obi ene no wakasa no wo kire se sika bia na nadom ahene 2 din ewo dwom no se sika no besi ne omonsan kan se sika no na chese ISS busrim kan se mo so de beje fan so se de be yu sika no enya medin ho afesun sase bese aduonu ba ko bi 21 bia wo mo share boss mo de be ma no no o se emu 11 pin wati se wo mo aton wo se eno so krampo no de nsa ana wo mo nsan kan sika bia nti wo mo accuse wo mo se so wo ma di sika o so sika no wo hene fa 2024 tachi mai Meko Bono no wo kire se nukura bia nim se sika no wo mo nsa atumi aka wo mo nsan kan sika bia na onu akasa babonten be chechire mu de akirem akire kwan fa so a se sika ni nyina ehun tansa ne ho ensem nyina de fa nkobo no no obe chechirem yentie de ra nanama kwache ya oka public accounts committee no ho e de atodwa yewie ye no nkofo kokwa pai wo bono ho titunu mama ba yenkotie na ye ba ya ebetie sim ne TV.
It was for me but me decided say in there I think say nkofo bebre bisa for nkofo bebre questions na nkofo bebre bisa for the account say yeah Meko Bono techiman ene ADUMASA ase Meko Bono team here nya metre abono for what exactly sika he sika buy ya de na de and I think so be bisa that question he be has the right to ask that question. The reason being that Meko Bono your personal business and say nipa bisa na nkofo bisa they are right say baby bisa na sa ho behwa na sia he nananom ekotwa ekokate sword ewo ADUMASA to start ADUMASA project him ebekoso ewo ADUMASA but since 2024 I Meko Bono we he e techiman yenyan ka bibia na say yenyan enfa bibia meto abonten na nkrofo akasa nkrofo abisa nkrofo asebie ebisa sometimes he na pese ye din kakra nya asembia na oba be kana bonta na say obe sorry pakopa no aba beka but me pese me dey mema a brief account of the ekoso ewo techiman said be ya ho a ebia ho adwen mu eye ho na kakra he ho beti ase and moreover 2026 Meko Bono so baso nti say ya science so baby you say oh na ho contribute my 2026 na onim the edit 2025 ne 2024 ne 2025 yeah why would you even contribute again? That's the question, and a very legit to ask that question. So mekan in time since me age 2024 you call Meko Bono manko Ghana 2024 but yeah Meko Bono e wo techiman me cut and some his shots yankopon adom ekoso ye pa techiman for je ejetum ekoso ye pa there are nsembi circulating say Meko straight to the point, right? I wouldn't beat about the bush. There are nsembi circulating say yewi him brante him meba wa he but it's kind dwane well meba wa be me kwani jama me meba wa yem but mrante he be this kind koye na de enya no correct ma san ma kana mesia ka bi wa kire won say asama minim no kra yem he menka bi nti be hwe Meko Bono no bonfie page nso anya bibia ekoso obono ne meka bi because se minim no kra yem a menka bi kire bi he no wa be third person but the minimum he de metimi ka bi and still be nipa enti se meka and I said be am to dwa in the hands se me to dwa na say chine bi he obi prove me wrong with proof said they make he wronger meba han see aba bepa am saying na actually because that is the right thing to do but to the best of my knowledge bibia me be ka kire won na he e no correct unfortunately, hey, maybe I'm a teaching some if you know, some people might be lying, but I mean, these are all not we. We've been quiet for a long time, and like I say, we've been working underground. My kind of stuff. When it comes to when it comes to Techiman Traditional Council project here, is that we are waiting on Techiman Traditional Council. Techiman Traditional Council as of this time. In some degree, when it comes to Mrantia here, the member wahi by this guy Conessa and some here. Say yamba wanti yamba ambeche mwa first he and the meaning pain for baby akasa biaka say hu na na tobo and it is true. But what I've also realized is say what we hear Mrs. Sia and so wonim no cry ma na so be catch us na me diska here obegiedi and I know sometimes in fine we say but say be a chine bi woni osa oboa me obibi mu na say me ba ho na me hia sembeto wenim na say okasa and how kra say okoye Meko no kra di enti me chere say we am ebe e bia I will lose. I was outside and I didn't hear because what say you go disika. But meet me a catcher say your call me catch your plane. Say your call Techiman. 2024 kwa Meko Bono. Many meeting here in this kebia. Sikahe oyaho. Ni sikahe biso mae. Na the American say Sahobe share video does not lie, the internet does not lie. Pack here so he donations by in your hotel charge for bebo 700,000 b that's guy me share by 700 b and one number be and number profile 700 apart from charge for 700 here body him Techiman Traditional Council so ebe can say be di carry amaye I'm saying sister ba my 100 dada na be the 150 can ho say ba my 150 dada be 100 can ho in all he be the he 250,000 Ghana cedis plus nana or also kasa ye and so the 20,000 can ho asas ka hin na he yansan kan ye enti minim say general public he wo de sorry before minim say general public he wo de ho be kan say o bia na ska he nyina ba ni say I'm yet to see where that money is sika he nya mai enti mpese me ma ho te ase say sika he a be ka say ye di ni 700,000 he osagefo kan he to the best of my knowledge any immediate mu he the 700,000 is there. But many the 700,000 my pack he so into any mini ho and Techiman Traditional Council bear witness to this. Says 700,000 never came to us. So first of all, the 250,000 Ghana cedis here, Techiman Traditional Council along the line they said they made some expenditures. Okay, but we didn't see the expenditures that they made. So it is 250. And the American me say I can't SSUBO say minima menka. Nay, for a long time we have consumed this because yempese be babonten is the ugu we animals and not the yes Becca we say we don't wash our dirty clothes in public. But yes so when yad adia ma wasenswa ye monocrono. You know say ena dimpa wo hwe eyesene ahonya nkora yenya bi but dimbone here started and I think say it is time for us to clear our names, not to clear our names to say obi ayebone but what I'm trying to say is say sika bia mbaye ho me the audited accounts here beto ho no me we are me sign so the pictures of it abeto so that obi ni be feel general public because baby I'm going to go to your website times and microphone ko intimidate to Bono pages so there are things say me treat pictures them there to ho no and I have everything donations say buy any bibia meti US me wo every dime I buy because it is my team that organizes Meko Bono. In fact, and yet to say it is my team ni organize say obi ni be high yes say ye me organize Meko Bono. No. So you name everything that goes on and me man ko hono that year. But the thing is I mean in bibia ekoso. And I have every account. And say everything for aside the 250,000 Ghana cedis, the entire make I said we are waiting on Techman Traditional Council because the news circulating is that many this guy intine as a project in Yankosen. But I want to prove to you in there, say it is not true. It is not true. It was a from Pachimeba. Aside the 250,000 Ghana cedis here, 270 actually thousand Ghana cedis that we are yet to receive from Techman Traditional Council here. Apart from that, there are about 21 plots of land that are supposed to be sold for Meko Bono project. We are yet to see it sold. Inti sebia otieche na sebia o kasebia project na Meko Bono project like sikahin gunsa asim. Semi strong ka ahemfo abeye me fan say sub chiefs abe wo Techman, and me person will share video man because most of the sub chiefs have also gotten the message wrong. Say Meko Bono team here this guy, but the thing is, and so I say here sub chiefs here and the buyer I bet they donate here as a best of their sort of contribution, if I should say, for Meko Bono. I understand say na a 21 plots of land Techman, but say nyame nkaye kura Meko Bono for we the organizers of it yante. Wow, oh dear, not to eventually me say and as I say and yet 21 he buy it, they move 11 penny buy it. So we are yet to see the 11 sold so that the project can go on. The project can go on. Plus the 700 that is being kept somewhere. So 700 here making a society for a bosso as contribution and videos are out there. 700 here. The contributions that came through us, I found that is there, but we are also waiting for the Techman Traditional Council to sell the 11 plots for their project to start. When you know who here until it's almost 2 years we haven't said anything, but it is getting out of hand. So unia banemia kanokre when yanko point him say unia banemia. Say I should keep quiet and tolerate all these things all the time. It sounds like say we are washing our dirty clothes in public, but no, I am actually giving accounts to the people because me woho need a group of bloggers led by Bono Champion President Efremi in a group call. Ne sika he yesi ho adi ne nana we say ne panyini we say ne obi freme ne obi ka say. Okay, a group of Bono bloggers, and then I said, "Yadua kwejina is a hindering. Oh, me jina vim free honum baby." And then I answered, "Me chebe say, hey, me chebe mo. Me chebe mo when they were okay. Me ma be hunu ye baby asika ya. Na baby crow let me proof. It was for me to try me so." What question be and I doubt be I think say public accountability, it is done and it is okay for it to be done. Even a bank be, so it is okay for it to be done. Say if after this Nasa Woodrin say Ebi and Anama has come out to say the truth, and because of that you are not going to support Meko Bono. Because Meko Bono and Yamen and we all know what the benefits that it has brought to Bono man. It existed for all the other branches to pop up. We all know, but I just want to say that we are waiting on. Simply put, we are waiting on Techman Traditional Council, and I have proof. What people are saying, say yeah, this guy. This is where it is. Wow, I organize the program that when you say you're for carpet. Back up on what canopies do here go high. Do here go high. And the tussle. Yes, Meko Bono nya there by him pay, and you should know. So yeah, different programs. Sana yeah, the baby we there by him so. Kahia eba with nyama here kahia. How do we pay for it? It was avoided. I don't know if any of you have even asked. Say na nama kinseto na boya kechire a friend is saying fire moon one team members father no one na na man any team here. How did they pay for all these? Because say yeah me call teach man the here and old boy video be no can say he's even surprised how we actually pulled this up, because the carpet in Ukraine is from here can 40,000 Ghana cedis. That was what old boy said. Well, did you consider this? I'm not saying so he's wrong, but yes, he was 100% right. In second, and we say, now here I come day, who now come here. Then you know, I and summer a baby. Because me tear say, it just say, but it's public accountability. So let me just do it. After all, Bono bloggers are frame ya, I be some head that. How much there's no secret. Any individuals be wow, person here, or baby sir, my church. Yeah, it was a form. So we are waiting. 200 and there was a check of 250,000 Ghana cedis, and that check, you know, fortunately for us, it was in the name. They wrote it in the name of Bono, which is the organizers of Meko Bono, and so that money was able to come 250,000 Ghana cedis. It was able to come to the Meko Bono team. As I'm making, and I don't be aware. And some are making painful being aware. Name, I am actually saying it so that what will contribute to be I won't the worth of your money when it comes to Meko Bono, you will understand. So okay, so 250,000 here was for before here Meko Bono okay, I say a lunch be I will take man. Until from the beginning, the BI start Meko Bono here. Meko Bono here to say period and so near start you. So you read back up no near to me das ya. Edru, teach my dear matter to cross say ya quad das. Yeah, das. But and no hen so ye a whole topic for another day. It was therefore Meko Bono 2026. Meko Bono was not solely for development. That was not our original aim for Meko Bono, but it was part of our aims. It was part of a neoma ye can say ye beye ediaka home. What we anticipate and say ABC. That was what happened. In the development side of Hekahohe. One because Meko Bono fan kabomo my inner hair, I him for Fibono, I him for Fibono East become boom. Your projects, Bono. Maybe can't boom my project will teach man. One is anchor moving by first what did that? Bono memo. Time on no ye bono near half from po. Say, I him from you know, can be one boom say, oh, we're for Cacabra, also for Cacabra. You go see me be same for mobi, oh baby. And I say, be free, say being a be free region back home, say being free region back home. Do you even see that? But in the Benina Becca home, Becca boom. For us to get all these things, Oduma say, home ye. Or him Pong was there, or Sajifo was there, and your friend is saying, or then home, Nana's mama was also there, and Sana Oduma say, Queen Mother was also there. How many times have you seen this in the history of Bonoman? How many times? I'm not saying it might not have happened before, but how many times do you see this? That two regions come together, and as our Bono 4 come together like this, or anyway, Obiya Paramount Chief but together to actually seek for the development, and as they come for a common goal to develop Bonoman. So Meko has actually done something. There are certain things we don't see because after a while it becomes normal, which is okay. Because after a while it becomes normal, which is okay. But 250 hereby, let me come back. I divert. I digress. I divert. Whatever. So, your friend is saying 250 here. Before here, inside, you call accounts and me make it. Or he be or Bono. Almost obia. Almost. That's the word. Crew. As for the Paramount Chiefs, yes. But even by bed and hang your Paramount Sissy and so sad. Biaji 2 bottles of Schnapp. Carabiner had it. And ask yourself, how much is it?
Extension 6151.
Yeah, the answer transportation. So you see, a lot of things come into play Into your quadruple because some kaya people don't ask about Meko Bono first one, Meko Bono second one. Some kaya first one, second one. Financiers and Aben Sargene. So we decided to say no. For the third one, hey dear, let's see how. Let's go for a loan. Here we are triaka. Because it can't be from start nipa bakoya na nipa mienu ya nipa miensa ya bensa bejene. So let's go for a loan. Here we are ya free. We went for a loan. Yankwaji loan, your friend is saying 250,000. So went for a loan, and I have proof of it when it was shared in the committee. Then I think say together and all together, no, the loan, no, I'll bring your friend is saying so that we all see. But yet be behind our auditor, no, account same way. Every year. The 250 here, the big good trial loan him cost a lot. No joke. It costs a lot. And see, yet to take care here. Dear buyer a year. I think 46,000 or 47,000 Ghana cedis. It is on the thing, public record. And see, say be a meter, Hannah May Becker. It is on there. Take time and look at it. Yedi Sikahe, dear Kayahe. I was told, Memfamra. Let me say, Nana, where dear Mr. Ye bear Meko Bona Fibia, just will be a quayjuma, no dear back. Na ye dear Tonsan, near the Afroca, near the actual letters, near printed letters, near the Intino. Kawe dear Gaka 46 was a 47, which it's one of them. And then my young fan to 1 year before ADUMASA, which is 2025 dear here. Yet there are chances I Sarum copy was CMP. Tia sponsorship got one. Because my company is growing, we don't always have to have one financier. No. And I have proof of what I'm saying. When I was being asked to bring the money, I have proof. I have proof. And to me and one the buy say, can you find to her because me de basa here and me de basa here and find because at this point we have 46,000. You find 20 they are share for here by here say. And so for this is where the miscommunication of Mranti and bed discount, Mranti and bed discount came about. But in this case, maybe see how say 20 minutes, almost 21 minutes. Wow, what question behind? Maybe I'll bring a part 2. Example. But I just want to prove to you that the 700,000. That's Osaji for the boy. Saskai, and Mammy be a winning that Saskai, I was Saji for keeping it safe. Then the 250,000 Teachman Traditional Council, I promise you, it has not arrived. Plus the 21 plots of land that were collected from Ahemfo. Teachman, because these are him for him being my things say maybe what they are saying it because they think that or they've been told to say because you didn't even mention it to Meko Bono when you are organizing it since I say him be doing some and we didn't know until say nyame odiechi meso obi nesumaye ebusiafo obi nesumaye me team 25 ni agoro because we do be you to inti through conversation ne yehunu ye se na da bia sasa se kurampo ahemfo donated plots of land Teachman, but we did not receive. So now we are waiting for it ended. It ended up say ahemfo nyina fa money mu 11 penny de be buy. So 11 where now ya asase here. So we are waiting for that to be sold. The money, Obibeka say, the vice president, your friend is saying, Honorable German Sakosa, and then the NDC4 and Mr. Samara, they gave us money. Yes, those who wrote theirs in check, which is what I have told you, say 250,000 That was where it went. That is the one that came in the name of Meko Bono. And that was what we used to pay every expenditure of Meko Bono. No, loan na yoko the initial one and sana deba de he bedroom. Because deba de he ka here boy he nyina he. The monies were paid to the people. It say canopy for, carpet for, decoration for, so one machine and one for you. The tria basic come be our traditional council. Ni na imagine phone so you can't tell me that I didn't know what went on. Comments that were passed, I heard it all. So you tria until obi anti me you me come first one, the second one. Na be pay achi atum. Home is a street style food is the kind of whatever that went on. Because near the car, home is a Danny trade or Kensetu Acheno, Danny trade, gentleman here, Oma, or no rent here with Kunja, the canoe business, and Hopiachi. Name mom here 2024, which was our third one. Yankopo Adum sat down on the park, and I think say cash I buy new papers in our and it's in the audited thing. Me what the pen actually ni na wo. That day, the Chima Traditional Council had Benipa no yoba. Yes, we had our nipa no yoba ma anotiho. We try na we are true. In 20 can't me say, media here me try and oh dear. Say Amazon ma donation 2 cities. Was media me try 1 and now the other 3. It was the same thing. And there was a for. Well, this is for Teachman project. We are waiting on their contribution. Because me say Teachman for say be some cabin. Kahia Teachman for him say be boy I know very well. So during the time here, yet it expenditure, but to be free because when we're doing the man and animal. Bebaye nasa eduane here benwaye nyina was taken out. It was for me to be say say it was but I was say
Abusanti abaya na sema anade onimfa asem ne ho no e na ode ato dwan ne no e no wieye no mama bako kwa pai se adie benti na yakwakoye program na empo na najima bedu ahyebo na ade ne maaya ode ba abonten abeka che Ghana fu nyina se na najima bedu bo hye no woni so enti wonte ase se abaya no be yes ade no afin so sanajima bedu aba o program na empo ama uska sabi prejudice no munyam hye na appearance ba oba no kwampo no ya dimu di ma Meko Bono no international bedu aba no ama musika mpo a ono a waba no kra no sika mu kwampo twen sika no na eyese na ya anom enya na najima bedu nti obeye ye no na ehu hia yenti ensima mama ba edi to dwa no bi
abusi asem wei me ye madwo se me nka bi bo mo se asem edika hwala na beka me ana meka what you say ye fense na na makwache ni interview no oba bontin obeye ye no me ye madwen se me nka hwe wo ho ba ma hu nsem hunu bi ekokoso se Gideon pese ogu Meko Bono show mu jimi adanya because na makwache e kasa no o kan asem bi wo m se ane Gideon ne bloggers bia odo mo ano ebe frame bi sa me nkonta ya me na me ka ho bi bloggers no see yeko bisa na makwache yeko bisa ne nkonta na me ka ho bi na nya ne bo ne kwan so because ye nyina ye promote Meko Bono me to ono mi uko mi page so mi Facebook page Meko Bono jise mo hu so obi a video me fan to ono me ha so mi promote bo ho da wuro bi me ka like see ade akora keto bi eye video bi aba Meko Bono me de to mi Facebook say this video no si koye no nti say ya me promote no say me wo live na me ye video wa ye followers ni bitimi ba do bi tan say Meko Bono no ye de ye hu de ekọ na sika o mo kan ho ye hu de ekọ o mo babisa ya ye nka Meko Bono organizers ho ye nim hwenti mo babisa me a de be kan so o munya abotre bibi abaye ye bibi hu de munya abotre mbere pam no mo be hu de ekọ na ase adofo ne anuafo abonofo a nyina ye baako na ye say ye na ye life no more ade na ba ye so nti ye ntwemme ye sister no na ye so ye nya nkyeremu kakra se be ye so ye kwa abonten nke se bibi sa ba ye so a ye so ye tima kyeremu kakra ama ye so ye chitai for no so ate ase ye na makwache se ye be frɛ na ye bisa asɛm wo ya mo kan te sɛ de ase ye be bisa nkonta gisika bi afiri obi honom ye ko bisa nkonta ko pesika bi akodi adan ya sɛ ye be gu Meko no ana Gideon no pese Meko no gu na sisi ame no we ka sɛ obi be ma Meko no gu a enye na ma kwa ache ne organizers o mo organize no mo gu Meko no no mo gu Meko no sisi ame no we ka sɛ o mpanyifo bi a mintin fo mo di ntudwa because of self video we ntrom pese obo chomo efi Meko no ho na eya de papa na ajabadu tu yi senye na ajabadu no ne de on fa asem nya asem no fa asem a ka asem we so be na mo na ajabadu obeka se enye Meko no ma afirim because na ajabadu tu wonu mi se wo yo program na obabi na wanyi sika kura mfa mawa na nim onyam keke kura de beta waji no eya de kese atam se panyini bi wo kropo na ota program achi a se be obehye bibi mo bi o se anyway di nipa so se yi se di am so menye se eno kura techniques bi o mutimi de ye amanfo wo achi so oyi a wo se na so se yi se de me da yi se na o mo so yi sika kese de abo adwuma di no na se ya de se na ajabadu aka asem kwa no enya mba so kura ya de betena abonten na kose uni o manfo mo pena na ajabadu afa ena na ajabadu kese ka bono program wantua aka ye wantua se na ajabadu yi sika fi na ni mo nya mo de beta Meko bono achi no eya de kese ne domo de beta achi no eya de kese se na ajabadu sore no ka se Meko bono onko biema Meko bono mo lusu because mu botaya mo se mo de ya de ro mo se enye se mo de pesika o ye ne fo bono nka bomu nti ye ka boma na ye titim ye be si ntoma go se na mo ka se ye si ntoma go abonten so no ye be si de atitim na se ye be si awia ka bom abusia aminja no wate because ye nkrofo bi se do mo adwe si wo fo no mo si agim no matter the situation obeka o mo nte wase agi se nyansafo asema mekan agimifo no de be di atam ba nyansafo ba dwendwen mafo no be hu se asem na meka no ba nyansafo ye bunu be ye nka na asem abusuadi ne da so ye ba
eti eno so na ye de akogu no ye si ejatua woto a ye mbo tintinhuo entra unim ho a no ho de wei aba eyemu die mu a monhwere mu siesie na monka eno ne hia na munya sensem a enhia asante mo de na aba no monhwere na monkan obi na kwagina adwom ene kokan wei e wo program bia so asante mamu a enka mo sie nyan mo enti bro champion association no ya na mo simo pa akuntabuo na mo de tata committee no tata ye no wo ma be kasa e de a kire mo se na adwuma bedu bo wo hye no wantua sika no eti de na mo nim se omo adie enti no ka mo pem mo de mo hwe no mo nsaka mama ba na wo ka bloggers e ko omo honom kokwa che omo so mo pa akuntabuo no wo mo meye account nkire mo no wako na wa ya account no de abrewa afa de aye bibia wo ho obuafu da bi okokuntumi mpai esanse de ba no kokoba omu nyina ye krobofo de na wonu nim se wodi sika no anka wokokobo na attack no okwa ya ehu se na ajima bodu esika ne maaye ne de ene de mo ye din bron champion for de na mo ka de afa ho Meko no me musika no enye obi asem na emom no eya na obi de ba se de musika no unye obi asem ba se de musika no saa na mo so mo de ba mo hwe na mo nka mama bana me ka so be ka se ene na ajima bedu sika no hwe ne wontua fi se dwumadie no mu die ne daka so etina me ka so be ka so mo hwe no mu tua fe de obaka che se na appearance for dwumadie no ye krempo ana sumbu sika saa appearance of the corner no dia na sesa no dia na ajima bedu no obro so senko enti ono ko no kwa no he no bono ho ko obi ono nkwa no he no bono ho no ko obi ya ono na appearance no na sika na bi ni ho no ebi ni ho enkohye bo enti ka percent komo ye ne kataso mu aso no mo kataso na obi a tese sika no wontua ye ayo ene ye besere mo nkotua sika no na mo ntumi fa nya de ese ne fata na bosi omo boy ye keda ho bia no mo hwe na mo fa nsiesie ewura ne de obona attack enye fi so tene ba bi ana mo de bloggers call ne na so se mo pe ba bi sika no wo ba bi afa mo pe account ɔmbɛyɛ nkyerɛ mo enti deɛ mo hwɛ no ɛno na mo nsa aka no enti wo de a osere ɛpro a ungya kwa ho obi de ho de onim ho a na wa ho de obi de na ba ya kasa be woso camera ka nsɛm akɛse ɛsere enti de aba no mo nsa nkɔ na mo kɔ bɛkyiri ma so yɛse na nadwuma bedu akɔfa nkrofo bɛ kogu ma wo mu kunkum nkrofo to mo so mo mpɛsa enti mo nkɔ afei so na nadwuma bedu bɛka kyerɛ sɛ wontu galamsey Bono Region Minister eba ho for bɛka sɛ bi wɔ krom honom mo sɛ mo nte ase na nadwuma bedu kyirima asofo sɛ otu galamsey ne bi wo bi wɔ honom enti nipa na wɔkuno no ne nkrofo na wasesa wo dem makogu honom no wo mo so ni abere enti no so mo hwɛ na wo nka ho asɛm ne nyinaa yɛ Bono ne patem ho nsɛm a etwagu ɛwɔ honom na munya obi de na mo de no a ɛkɔso wo mo de mu no mo nhwɛ na mo nka for adwen kyerɛ to comment section no mo obuo ne ni de mu na ɔkasa mu ɛho se bi mu wɔ honom a na mo atwere nsɛm na ɛne de enka obi a no kore ne de wo sɛ yɛ no na yɛ de wɔ asante ha ti mo so mo nhwɛ na mo nya mo de ɛwɔ Bono hɔ na bibia ntumi enye kama ne nkura atwa ho ahia obi so wɔ ha wɔ ni ha wɔ firi ha kosi ha no de wo yɛ odɔ ma ahena wo di odɔ ma aso saa na obi so ne brekum him odi ne brekum so obi anko obi diem ɛyɛ house ne ɛbɛkɔ house no obi anso nsi no bi wɔ house hɔ obi a wɔ ne kuro nkrata asɛm nti ne ɛsi we ni anim mfanko oni anim nsan yese ya ɛno kra na mmerɛ saa da so na mmerɛ no so a yɛtu wi a na wakaka bensɛm no tumi no wo da kwa kɔyɛ president wɔ hene enti na de wɔ hɔ ano no yegusu ɛkae mo sɛ de tie bia sampa man hene ɛyɛ tɔle sangma jafla ADUMASA TV edin da tesɛ mene kwaku edumu si hanom ebrepem yɛpɛsɛn ahia yakra